Hey guys, welcome to another M10 video. Today we're looking at a Range Rover Evoque and a common problem that happens with a heater motor. Even when the engine is off, the heater blowers keep going and it drains the battery. So let's take a look. So the customer complaint is that the heater blowers won't turn off and this drains the battery. So first things first is that we confirm the fault. Before you get started with any kind of investigation, it's always good to check TSBs, technical service bulletins, to see if the manufacturer of the car that you're working on has released any kind of document about that complaint to see if there's any common problems. In our case there is. And that document is telling us to look at the heater resistor. So in the passenger footwell, there's a plastic cover that can be removed. When this cover is out the way, you'll be able to see the fuse box and the cover for the carbon filter. Just behind the carbon filter is where the heater resistor is located. If you remove the plastic cover to the carbon filter, they should give you a little bit more room to remove the resistor. But beware, it is a tight fit. You'll have to rotate the resistor anti-clockwise in order to get it out. Before you remove it, remember to disconnect the electrical connector. That was tight. With that out of the way, I can get the camera in place to show you actually where it sits. And that's the empty space that the resistor sits in. A normal sign of these heater resistors being faulty is when they only work on the highest setting. But normally they will still turn off. In this case, it didn't turn off, because it's constantly fed with a battery life, which internally shorts. So this means that even when it's switched off, it's constantly giving full battery life to the heater motor. But this is a common problem, and the only way to fix it is to replace this unit. So the new resistor rotates into place, and remember, this can be a little bit fiddly. Here's a better view of the resistor with the wiring just behind it. I couldn't get my hand in and the camera to show me connecting it. Once that's in, put the carbon filter cover back on, and the plastic cover for the fuse board. Then she's ready to test. And she's working as she should. All done. So today it was a simple fix. That's not always the case, but I would urge you to always check technical service bulletins before carrying out an investigation on a weird complaint. So that's it for this week's video, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, click here to see more, and see you next week. Cheers.